You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from French and how it's usually said also in English. So the French pronunciation is Beauregard. Beau, you probably know the name beau, it's a word meaning beautiful. Regard means a look, when you look at something, a glance. Regard, the D is silent in French, so Beauregard, there's no stress on any particular syllable in French, so Beauregard, Beauregard, if you want to pronounce it somewhat the French way. Many actually in English say Beauregard, because I guess it makes it a bit more straightforward what the spelling is. Beauregard, pronouncing the D, so in English you can pronounce the D, in French it's silent. Beauregard, or Beauregard, or Beauregard. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.